Hello, my name is Dr. Boougula, and I am joined here by Nurse Screm. Welcome to the Medical Moonlight Monster Centre, or MMMC for short. So, Monster, what ailments or injuries are you presenting with us today? Okay, so just to confirm with you, Monster, you are complaining of a headache, correct? Blurry vision, correct? A loose neck, yes? And lastly, a very loose left arm. Is that all your concerns? Excellent. Alright, well, I can visibly see that your left arm is holding on by a thread, literally. Alright, it is hanging significantly lower than your right arm. Okay, so just to assess, can you lift up both your arms, please, on either side of you? Wonderful. Okay. Yeah, that left arm is drifting. Okay. Nurse Screm, please document. Thank you. Alright, Monster. I'm going to ask you to do the same thing again, but lift in front of you now if you can. Wonderful. Yeah. Ready? Raise both arms. Excellent. And oh, there goes your left arm, now on the floor. Well, that's very clearly telling us that it needs to be reattached. Wonderful. Thank you, Nurse Screm, for picking up the monster's arm. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so your arm here looks healthy. No dead skin or signs of infection, which is wonderful to see as a doctor. Really just needs to be more fitted into your arm socket, would you say? Yes. Well, how about we give you back your arm straight away? It seems to be the most pressing issue you are facing. Me holding your arm. Okay, can you please take a seat on the bed? Thank you. And we'll get started. So, first we're going to clean and infect the site of your shoulder. Do you have any allergies, Monster? Okay, no worries. I will make sure not to give you any penicillin or pumpkin flavoured anything. So I've just got some antiseptic and we'll give that area a nice spray. Warning, it will be a bit stingy for you. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. And we might do another spray. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, wonderful. And how's that feeling, Monster? Excellent. That means it's working. Alright, so we're going to just take out any pieces in the shoulder area that would be inhibiting the attachment of your arm back. So I'm just going to pull out any debris or anything of the sort. No, it's relatively clean actually, Nurse Screm, thank you for asking. No, I'd say the monster skin looks green, mottled, but good blanching when I press. Okay, so that's now nice and clean for us to reattach your arm. So I'm going to very gently hammer it in. So close your eyes for me, monster, and on the count of 3 I'll start gently hammering. 1, 2 and 3. Is that painful at all? Okay, good. Okay, and we'll just do a bit hammering up here. Wonderful. Now, can you raise both arms up for me, like before, either side? Alright, so you're able to move your left arm, but it's still significantly lower than your right. What we'll do is get some sticky tape and we'll just stick it on, shall we? Alright, thank you, Nurse Screm. We will just use this sticky tape as a reinforcement. It will dissolve in its own time, so you won't have to come back to us to get it removed. Okay, just a bit more. And one more, I think. Oops. Sorry. You don't want a doctor saying oops, do ya? There we are. Alright. And we'll do that test again, monster. So raise your arms up for me. Excellent. You are perfectly in line now, either arm. We can tick that off your list. And let's work our way up. So you said you had a loose neck. I can see that the nuts and bolts on either side of your neck are a bit loose. So I will get my spanner, heavy duty, and just tighten the screws. So if you could face your right, thank you, and I'll just measure up your bolts. Beautiful. And then let's start. Wonderful. Now face your left. Thank you. Okay. And how does that now feel? Yes, you can move your head side to side. Whatever is comfortable for you, monster. Excellent. So we can tick your neck off the list. Working up again, it was your eyes that were blurry. Yes. So I think we just need to give them a bit of a spray and clean. So I've got some sterile water and we'll just give either eye a good spray. So looking at my nose, we're going to do your left eye first. Ready? 1, 2, gotcha. Beautiful. We'll let that wash in And we'll do your right eye on the count of 3. 1. Gotcha again. Alright, let's let that soak in. And now with the clean towel, thank you, Nurse Screm, we will just give your eyes a bit of a wipe. Excellent. Now, how does that feel? Wonderful, monster. Let's do a test. How many fingers am I holding up? Correct. And what about now? Correct. And what about now? Correct. Alright. Let's tick that off your list, which leaves us with your loose head. Now, it kind of looks like there's things in your head that don't fit, and that's why your head's not screwing on properly, the top of it. Do you mind if I pop the top off and have a little look? Thank you very much. So, grabbing hold of your head on the count of 3, and I mean 3 for real this time, we will take the top of your head off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Alright. Now, where are my spectacles? Thank you, Nurse Screm. Let's put them on so I can have a good look at your brains. Alright, monster. There are bits in here I can see that do not belong. Let me just have a feel. Very sticky. Brains are always sticky. That's when you know they're healthy brains. When they are stick to you. Alright, there is an area back here. See, not sticky. Okay, so there is an area, monster, where the brain is no longer sticky and it's just dried out and expanded. So we'll need to remove that part of your brain for the top of your head to sit properly. So, Nurse Screm, may I please get the McGill forceps? Thank you. And now we are going to pluck. Yes, monster, there is quite a lot of not healthy brain that we must get rid of. Slowly and surely. Okay. Beautiful. Now, let's have another look at your brain. Okay. Nice and sticky. Just how we like it. Okay. So, your brain looks much better, monster. And I believe the top of your head will fit on perfectly. So, let's put it back on. Alright, thank you, Nurse Screm. Alrighty, so on the count of 3, we'll put your head, the top of it, back on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Monster, how does that feel now that it's back on your head? Do you feel any pressure building up, especially behind the ocular region at all? No, okay. And your headaches, have they returned? No, okay. Well, I think we can tick that off. So let's reflect. We have fixed your headaches. Check. Fixed your blurry vision. Check. We have fixed the loose nuts and bolts on your neck. Check. And we have reattached your left arm. Check. Was there any other ailments or injuries you would like me and Nurse Screm to assess and fix today for you, monster? No? Excellent. Well, I'll leave you in the capable hands of Nurse Screm, and she'll take you back to the front desk to get you all fixed up. Alright, monster. Until next time, goodbye.